In this quick Descript guide, you'll learn exactly how to add text and subtitles in Descript, whether you're editing a video for the first time or looking to improve your workflow. This software offers a seamless and intuitive way to add subtitles and text to your projects, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to master this process in minutes. First, let's dive into adding subtitles. Descript allows you to automatically transcribe your video or audio files, making it incredibly easy to generate subtitles. All you need to do is upload your video, and Descript will transcribe the speech into text. Once the transcription is done, you'll see a script-like view of your audio or video. To add subtitles, simply click the Add Captions button. Descript will automatically sync the transcribed text with the video. You can easily adjust timing by dragging and extending the text blocks or adjusting the timing in the transcript itself. This gives you full control over how and when each subtitle appears. Next, let's talk about adding text overlays. If you want to add additional text to your video beyond subtitles, Descript makes this incredibly simple as well. In the editor, just highlight the section of text you want to appear as a title or label and select the Add Text option. From here, you can adjust the font, size, and color of the text, allowing for a personalized touch. You can even animate the text to make it pop on screen for added effect. One of Descript's best features is how intuitive and quick it is to edit your video. For instance, if you need to remove or replace any text in your subtitles, you can simply delete or type directly in the transcript, and Descript will automatically update the corresponding text in the video. No more manual syncing. Everything happens in real time. If you want to make your subtitles even more professional, you can also edit the style of your captions. Descript offers a range of options for font, size, and color, making it easy to align with your branding or personal preferences. You can also adjust the duration of the subtitle to match the flow of speech in your video. Now, if you're someone who creates content frequently or is working on a series of videos, Descript also allows you to save your text settings as templates. This can save you time and ensure consistency across your videos. Just pick the template you like, and Descript will apply those settings to every text box you add. I know that as a beginner, all of this might seem overwhelming, but trust me, with Descript's user-friendly interface, you'll feel comfortable navigating through it all in no time. And the best part, you can use Descript for free by signing up through the link in the description below, and you'll also get exclusive bonuses. So why not try it out? Before we wrap up, I want to mention that if you're looking for more advanced editing options, like removing filler words or generating overdubs, Descript also has those capabilities, making it a complete tool for both beginners and advanced users alike. To get started today, just follow the link below to access your exclusive free trial. You'll be creating professional captioned videos in no time.